Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to write text vertically in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a complex spreadsheet, creating headers that stand out, or just want to tidy up your layout, knowing how to rotate text can make your data so much clearer and easier to read. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll be able to format your text vertically like a pro, making your sheets not just functional, but visually organized too. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up your Google Sheet and pick the specific cell where you want your text to appear vertically. Just click once to highlight that cell. If you have a whole row or column that you want to change, you can click and drag to select multiple cells at once. This step is important because text rotation only affects the cells you select, so make sure you've got the right one picked out before moving on. It's a bit like picking the exact page in a notebook where you want your notes to go. Make sure you're set before you start writing. Next, let's look towards the top of your Google Sheets window. There's a menu bar with several icons. One of them is the text rotation icon. It usually looks like a slanted letter A with an arrow around it or a vertical line, depending on your version. Sometimes people miss it at first, so just take a moment to scan those icons. If you hover your mouse over each one, you'll see a little tooltip pop up telling you what each icon does. Go ahead and click on the text rotation icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few different options for how you want your text to be oriented within the cell. This is where the magic happens. You'll see choices like vertical text, which will turn your letters upright, stacking each character on top of each other. Instead of the usual left to right, your word or phrase runs from top to bottom, which is perfect for column headers or saving horizontal space. You'll also notice an option called Stack Vertically. This literally stacks the letters in a single vertical line, one under the other. Just take a moment to scroll through the options in the dropdown. There are also some angled choices here, like rotating your text by 90 degrees or even custom angles. If you want the text to run from bottom to top or at a slant, feel free to experiment. For now, let's stick with either vertical text or stack vertically for that classic vertical look. Once you select your preferred vertical style, the text in your highlighted cell will immediately change orientation. Sometimes Google Sheets uses the word rotate here, but don't let that throw you off. It's just another word for turning the text from its default position. You might also notice your column adjusts its width or height to fit the new direction of the text. That's totally normal, and you can always resize your row or column later if you want it to look even cleaner. Lastly, don't forget to press the Enter key after you've made your selection. This step confirms the change and tells Google Sheets you're done editing that cell. If you skip this, sometimes your text might not update the way you want, so just give it a quick tap. And there you have it. Your text is now perfectly vertical and your spreadsheet is looking a whole lot more organized. If you need to make adjustments or want to try other rotation styles, just repeat these steps. There's no harm in experimenting until your sheet looks just right. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Google Sheets guides and helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.